Friends, this child was calmly watching cartoons when suddenly a deer burst into their house. In this video, I'll show you similarly shocking videos. Watch this video. A truck is about to fall right in front and an accident was about to happen, but all three vehicles narrowly escaped. Look at this. This train is running so smoothly that even this coin stayed perfectly balanced on it. And sometimes this happens too. This building had become so decayed that it could collapse at any moment. If boiling water is poured onto dry ice, this is what happens. Friends, these people were fixing their car, but the car started rolling downhill. Even this poor dog tried to stop it, but they still suffered damage. Have you ever seen a crocodile bathing like this? Friends, they say necessity is the mother of invention. This woman built this device using a wheelchair, which she's likely using to spray her fields. You can gauge just how dangerous it can be to build roads and work on high mountains by watching this video. If a car is driven through this much snow, this is exactly what happens to it. Friends, watch just how difficult it is to lift a person from a boat onto a helicopter. Look at this above-ground swimming pool. Absolutely astonishing. Friends, this man got lucky. He narrowly survived. Friends, these cars can travel on water. They're called amphibious cars, meaning they're both a car and, when needed, a boat too. You can see for yourself just how dangerous it is when an old structure is being demolished. Friends, this is called parasailing, where a canopy like a parachute is attached to a boat and people fly through the air. But here a problem occurred. This parachute got stuck in a boat and these poor people fell into the ocean. You can see just how difficult and dangerous a laborer's job can be. Thankfully, he was saved. Friends, look at this clever cat. It's been trained how to open a door. If a thief ever showed up, this could become a real problem. You can see in this video just how dangerous the ocean can be. In just a few seconds, ocean water can destroy everything. Friends, this two-seater plane malfunctioned and is falling, meaning it's crashing, heading straight toward the fields. But they were saved. Look at this fish that jumped out of the water. It doesn't look like this poor thing will survive. And look at this man playing with a crocodile as if it were his own cat. It's only because this is a small crocodile that this man is safe. Friends, look at this lightning striking across the sky. What a mysterious sight. This video is from Saudi Arabia. Watch that blue truck coming from over there. Its one mistake forced the red truck to swerve, and the man fixing a tire there also narrowly escaped. This video is from Tibet, where a landslide is occurring. You can see huge rocks falling down from the mountain. Thankfully, they had already stopped traffic beforehand. This motorcyclist thought the road was actually something else. Friends, when there's one sandwich but two people, there should be an equal share. Look at what method they're using to divide it equally. You step into an elevator and see this man standing there. A prank scary enough to give someone a heart attack. Friends, this man is going to deliver a pizza, but he's lucky because the moment he stepped out of the elevator, this happened to it. What is this thing going into this hole in a building? Comment and let me know what you think it is.